Got some shoes. Don't. Washington, D.C. May 22nd, your birthday. We got some cookbooks. Celebrity. Oh, I haven't seen one of those for a while. That's kind of cool. It's a, yeah. You want that ball? Yeah. That's kind of cool. Oh, these are, the choppers. I don't know what this is. No, I don't think, I don't know about this one, guys. This is the kind of stuff that we're finding, guys. Like, could probably list those things. Do without the hat. I definitely like take the shelf. The dusty old shelf. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. What is this? I think that's like a, oh, cool. I don't know. It's speakers and a subwoofer. More speakers. I might try and sell this thing if it's all there. And we got the good stuff. Want to try the fan? Want to see if the fan works? You want to check the fan? Oh, look how pretty those are. Oh, got some stuff. What these little blowy dingy things are. Some kind of game. Natalie's 10 Book of Love and Fortune.
See it? See the craft? See it?
Yeah.
What?
There's a little one. What's the little one?
What's that?
What's the little one for?
Bo wants the big one. He doesn't want to go fit the big one.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay. Too bad, but Yeah, there's no training wheels though. It looks good. Come over and hold the back up. Hang on. That's what So how does it run?
Plug it in.
That's kind of neat. It's old school, is it?
Yeah, I think it's an outdoor thing.
Well, it looks like it to me. What's the mirror for?
Oh wow. I know, look at yourself. Probably like this to look at your shoe there.
I've never seen anything like this.
Oh, it might have, you know what, it might have been in a food truck or something, right? What's on the other side of it, anything? Oh, it's girls. Must have been in like a food truck or something. All the water in it.
I wish we could take it, but that'd be cool to fucking clean up and sell even, because look at this is probably pretty vintage.
What?
General Electric, like look how old that is.
No, I know. It's like an outdoor thing, I think. I don't know what
Well,
it
look
was
at the
for.
plugs too. It's only the double.
I don't know what that would be for. Oh, this is all I want.
Like, oh, human.
Hello, he's.
This is the dog
I
that
love
told you
it.
I like.
Look at his bum. He's just like you. Oh, that's great.
Like, yeah.
You're gonna be on YouTube, buddy.
He's so cool.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
I have a book on Cameos, so I've been sitting here looking at it.
They're beautiful. They're so beautiful. This one looks like it's got
Isn't
some
that
age.
gorgeous? That one, see, that one doesn't have a thing on the back. I have to take it to. But look at how. If you look at how beautiful it is. The sun shining through it. She's just stunning, isn't she?
Is she Victorian?
Yeah, I don't know. You know,
Yeah.
I can't even remember where I got this, but when I bought it, it didn't have the thing on the bottom, and I thought, I don't care, I'll put one on.
Cameos
I'll get one.
were very popular, like
Yeah.
in the early 1900s.
Don't drop it, honey, whatever you do, because it'll break.
Yeah, although this one's a nice one over here as well with the. Is that a couple?
Well, it's just from the glue. The piece that the pin came off that you would pin it on with.
Do you have the pin?
No, I don't have the pin. No, when I bought it, it didn't have the pin.
Oh, okay.
So I
Oh,
was just
wow.
looking at some of these, like this is the set, right? And then this blue one is the set with earrings.
I haven't quite got your name yet.
My name is Bev, and my last name is Bird, like the birds that fly.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
yes. And this one I got, this one was my sister-in-law's, and she had beautiful stuff. So, like, I wanted to learn about Cameos because some of them are made with stone, like this one is. This
Yeah.
one, I think this one's not stone. This one is, what's the
Ceramic.
name of the stuff? No, it's
Oh, I know what you're
I gotta
saying.
get going, Mrs.
Bird.
Bird.
Yes, okay, dear. Well, thank you very much for stopping by. Tell your mom I miss you guys delivering those papers. But it was nice to chat with you.
Cute. So are you having a little, are you selling at a garage sale?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I look around?
Please do. Yeah.
I love,
I,
listen, I like,
We'll see you again sometime. Good luck with your umping, love. Him and his mom used to deliver, you know, the weekly paper we get here in town.
yes.
And so I said, "Do you tell your mom for me that I want you to start again?" Because they used to put theirs in a piece of in a plastic bag and throw them, put it on the step. Now whoever's delivering them rolls them all up and puts a couple of elastic bands around them.
Oh.
And they're horrible. But anyway, I have a book here that I was just because I was sitting here doing nothing. I thought, okay, I need to learn about Cameos.
I follow a lady on YouTube as well. Sunday Bubbles. Sunday Bobbles. So Baubles.
Oh, okay.
And Sunday is spelled DAE, I believe.
Oh, okay.
And she has so much information.
Oh, really?
She's beautiful. She's Canadian.
Okay, yeah.
And she does, most of her videos is just teaching you the history.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
and she has a
okay.
whole,
Yeah. Well,
she knows a lot. Yeah.
Well, my book just was telling me some stuff like you're supposed to look and see, first of all, how long the hair is, how long the noses are.
Okay.
And if the hair is short, then it's from a certain year. It started with a certain year. If it's longer, it was a different year. If it had braids kind of in the hair, it was a different year.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so I have this book right here on my lap.
Queen Victoria loved her cameos.
Yeah.
Loved
there's
her
the book.
cameos.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's got some interesting
I have
things.
some jewelry books as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I have got this many jewelry books
What
and
is this
glass
one?
books.
Cameos?
Yeah.
Pocket guide.
Because I
Cool.
collected glass, like depression glass and stuff.
Oh,
so I've
wow.
got tons of books on depression glass. And
Oh, I hope that you reach out to me whenever you want to
well,
downsize.
I'm going to put this stuff
This is
down
beautiful.
for a minute. Yeah, isn't that pretty?
This
Yeah.
is very pretty.
Yeah, I don't know where I bought it from, but I've got some lovely pieces.
Sorry.
I should run in and just bring out one of my things of rhinestones, and I'll show
Oh, yeah,
you.
I would love that. Oh,
Yeah.
that's a beautiful name. Oh, goodness.
It's so warm out there, and
Oh, goodness. Is it ever? It's nice. I can't complain, though.
I know.
It might snow if we complain.
I know.
You guys, this is amazing. This lady is amazing. Oh, look at this. How trusting is she? She just went on out there. Cable not for sale. $4. Look at what she got. Oh, wow.
The right one.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Some of them are.
This is I collect this as well. Oh my goodness.
This is the Sherman. I've got quite a few Sherman pins.
Oh, they're valuable.
Yeah, and
They're
a few
very-
other ones. This is an absolutely gorgeous, stunning set. And it's not signed by anybody. It's not signed because it was so gorgeous, right?
Kind of looks like a Juliana.
Yeah, I don't know.
She's more known for her layering of
Okay,
crystals.
Yeah,
But Sherman is this color
yeah.
is unique. I just sold a set on eBay for $300
Oh,
actually.
did you? Well, I don't doubt it. Like
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
this bracelet, I paid a fortune for these bracelets. And
I'm
this is
so
a set.
grateful that you're showing me this right now. Thank you.
What's that?
I'm so grateful to see this.
Oh yeah, well I started buying. My mom loved rhinestones, so when I was a kid, my dad died when I was 7.
Okay.
So my mom had to go to work the next day, basically, right?
Right.
And so we didn't have any money. So I started babysitting when I was 10 and working at the theater when I was 12. I lied about my age.
Oh.
And then my mom she wasn't much of a dresser, but she loved jewelry. So I always bought her something for her birthday or Mother's Day or something.
Oh, wow.
And then when she died, I got her jewelry because I was the only daughter in the family, right?
Yeah.
So that was the start when I got the rhinestones that I had purchased for her along the way. I thought, oh my God. So this is just, I have 3 of these, right?
Lovely.
And they're all.
This is milk glass.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's the whole set. You have the whole Peru.
Yeah. Some of them are. Yeah. Some of them I've got some pieces that aren't as good, but sometimes you just buy what you can because some of them are. You can put them together with other pieces.
I have one similar to that one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I have some coral pieces as well.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That one I don't find sells as well as the other Sherman, Juliana.
Yeah. So here's a few more. I just don't remember what color. I can't. My eyes are not very good. So these look like pink, right?
Yeah.
Pink and red. So
You have them color coordinated?
Yes, I have them all done usually. So I've got the greens all together and the blues all together and the reds. And
Such a collection. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
yeah,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, I
Look
just
at that.
love them. Yeah, they're so beautiful, and I've been so lucky because I've found some of them, at decent prices, so I could afford to buy them.
Thank you so much for sharing this
Oh,
with
no
me.
problem.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and so different.
Oh,
different
the
colors
butterfly.
and-
Is
yeah.
that one? That one looks
That's
gold.
not old. No.
No, I said
actually,
that one looks-
That's a new one.
Is
I
it
bought
gold?
the-
Like actual gold?
No, it's not. No.
Beautiful.
And this is old. This is from this was my auntie's, and this is I can't even remember what this is called now. You probably know better than I do. But this is from,
Lucite. No, it's not.
No, it's not lucite, but you're close.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's from the 20s, right?
That's cool.
And I have a couple of her pieces like that.
Beautiful,
So, yeah,
beautiful,
isn't that
beautiful.
gorgeous? Yeah.
I seen you out entangling your jewelry, and she's a big jewelry queen. So I was like, oh look, babe.
He spotted you looking in your jewelry, and I was ready to come buy it all from you.
Okay. So
Oh,
I don't know
beautiful.
what- yeah. So the other, I have two. I bought these cases at Costco, and you know what they're for? They're for machine tools, machinist tools.
Oh, okay. Yep. I know what you mean.
So I thought they'd be perfect. I was kicking myself after that I didn't buy more.
I wonder you can. No, I haven't never really. When did you buy that?
Oh, a
long time ago. Yeah.
15 years ago probably.
Oh, I'm so nice to see this.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Well, I'm so glad you
Oh,
enjoyed it.
my heart.
So you know what? I'm going to go in and I'm going to get one of my business cards.
Okay, please.
And then I'm going to get you to put your name and address. I'll give you mine and I'll get you.
Awesome.
To put your name and address.
Awesome. Oh,
Cornflower. This was made in Ontario. They had a business. Two brothers started a business in late 20s or early 30s, and they made this glass. This is some of the crystal that they made with exactly the same pattern. It's the cornflower
oh yeah,
pattern.
yeah.
But their etching is just second to none. If you see some of the etching that's some of the American companies that made etching, doesn't even stand
Compared to.
this stuff. It's nothing, right? Their etching is beautiful. So this is exactly the same pattern.
Yeah, you
And
can
when
see.
my
in
mom
my
and dad-
camera, it shows up really nice.
yeah, my mom and dad got married in 1930, and when they got married, they got pink crystal like this. I have it. My mother gave it to me for my 21st birthday.
Wow.
So, and it is the cornflower pattern. So I have it in the china cabinet in the house.
Beautiful.
But they made this glass, and they made various other patterns, but the cornflower was the biggest pattern, and they made it through to, believe 1983.
So what would these dishes have been used for? Just like for cookies or?
Yeah. Well, this would be pickles, or this would be candies, or both of those would be the same. And this is a cream and sugar with the same pattern on it again.
Mm-hmm.
And each one of these is 12 petals on it, and it has the edging on each one of them. And I've seen people try and make them. I found
Duplicate
them in
them?
the States, and they're as soon as you see more than 12 petals, you know it's not right.
Cream and sugar.
Yeah. So they made all sorts of things.
Is this what they call milk glass, right?
Yeah, this is all milk glass, all of this. This is bubble glass, this is bubble. I have a set of this in blue. I have a whole set, like 16 of everything, right? And they had all the
Beautiful.
pieces, plates, dinner plates.
Everything
all
you can
sorts
think
things,
of.
Yeah.
You're getting a little
That's a
busy now.
lovely old etched piece of glass.